This is another example of injectable medication calculation. The doctor orders 70 milligrams of an intramuscular injectable solution. A vial of this solution with a drug dose with a dose strength of 150 milligram per 4 milliliter is available on hand. What volume of the enhanced solution should be administered? Alright, let's see. This is 150 milligram out of every 4 milliliters. Now, you could divide 150 by 4 and find out how many milligrams per 1 milliliter there is. That's one way you could do it. But let us look at just using ratio to do it. Now, you have 70 milligrams. That will be in how many milliliters? You don't know, call it X. It should be the same ratio here of 150 milligrams in every 4 milliliters. So you see the ratios, they work out. Cross multiplying will give you 70 milli, did I say right, milli X here, milligram, 70 milligrams multiplied by 4 milliliters is equal to X, well, 150 milligrams multiplied by X milliliters. Alright? So, if you now divide by 150 milligrams, you get 70 milligrams times 4 milliliters divided by 150 milligrams equal X milliliters. Now we'll have milligram cancel milligram, leaving milliliters. Let me put the X over on the left hand side here. X milliliters is equal to this over the right, 70 by 4 milliliters divided by 150 milliliters. So here now, we could multiply out 70 by 4. You know that 4 7 is 28, so 70 by 4 will be 280. I had put milliliters down here, that's a mistake. It was 150 milligram and it was cancelled out. 280 divided by 150, and this will be milliliters. So here now, we can do, use our calculator and divide 280 by 150. 280 divided by 280 divided by 150 equals 1.86. Call it 1.87. 1.87 milliliters of the injectable solution. Alright. Now, let's think about it again. So that's 1.87 milliliters. 1.87 milliliters. Let's think about it this way now. If you have 150 milligrams per 4 milliliters, this is equal to what? This is going to be in milligrams per milliliters. Or you divide down. There's 1 4 in 4. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 15. You know that's 3 because 4 3 is 12. And you have 3 more 34 and 15. 4 into 30. This is going to be, how many 4s are in 30? 4 7 is 28, so it's 7. Because 4, 7 is 28, and then 2 more. So it's 37 and 2 fourths, which is 37 and a half. 37.5 milligrams per milliliter. Alright? Now, here. You should administer 70 milligrams of the solution. In every 1 milliliter, there is 37.5 milligrams. So obviously, you should administer more than 1 milliliter, because 37.5 milligrams, that's 1 milliliter. If you do it again, 37.5 milligrams, that's going to be a total of 2 milliliters so far. But you've passed 70. This would be too much, right? Because if you multiply 37.5 by 2, you get 2, 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 2, 7, 14, and 1, 15. You know, the 1, 2, 3, 6, and 1, 7. 75 is too much. So it's going to be 1 and a lot more. Not 1 and a little bit, 1 and a lot more. It's close to 2, but it doesn't reach 2 quite as yet. So, how much is it? Well, the thing is, if you consider how much more milligrams you should give to the patient compared to how much milligrams is in 1 milliliter, it's going to be 70 divided by 37.5. So, 70 divided by 37.5, how much would that work out to be? If you put 70 over 37.5, you get 1.87. So it's 1.87 milliliters. Alright? Remember the 70. Oh, 1.8 is not milliliter, times 1.87 times the on hand dosage. Alright? Because remember, 70 is in milligrams, 37.5 is in milligrams, so you're comparing. The units cancel out, so it's 1.87 times. Now remember, this was the previous word here. Remember, we're looking at 1 milliliter. The 37.5 goes out of 1 milliliter. And if you are comparing how much milligram you're going to the patient to how much milligram is in the bottle, that's 1.87 times, it means the milliliter must be 1.87 times 2, right? That 0.87 times as well. So it's 1.87 times the 1 milliliters. So you should give 1.87 by 1 is 1.87 milliliters. Just another way of looking at it and arguing it out, right? Alright, so that will be it for now.